Hello! Wala yung ilaw. Tayo lang. Bibili siya. Cheesecake. Happy birthday to me! Yay! Kasama daw. Sabi niya? Ngayon sa Capones Island Beach Resort. Yan o, look at this. Ang ganda. Hoy, ay may poging Shokoy oh. Hi! Ito kami ngayon sa Capones. Today is my birthday! And I'm so happy. Kasama ko yung family ko. At nakapag-off shoulders ako. Kahit umaambon. Pero mukhang hindi naman siguro uulan ng malakas. Hopefully. But anyway, I hope you enjoy watching this video. And keep on watching! Beach life feels like this. But, you know, look at the view. Sarap-sarap na kaso. Ate, ilang feet ba? Malalim ba to? Malalim ba to? Pag oh my God! Kinakabahan ako! Gusto ka na tumalon. Pero parang mababaw lang to! 1, 2, 3 Kinakabahan ako! Sige, nakabahan na ako ah. Babalan pala. Kaya ako rin ah. Bes, kamusta ka naman dyan?
Okay naman.
Okay ka naman?
Beautiful best.
Ano masabi mo?
Sarap. Sige, maya na lang.
Medyo may sinat si Gavin, so yan, nagpapahinga siya. And actually, pagising na rin naman.
Nakakadulas pala yun. Okay.
Yung tatay ko. Hi, tatay. Hello. birthday. Pero after this, we're going to Subic para kumain. Tapos pumasyal lang konti, then uwi na. Right now, time check, it's 15 minutes before 12. And before this day concludes, we'll be eating lunch. And I'm so happy and glad that this birthday celebration of mine is really special. I spent the day with my